What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to keep it short and sweet. So if you're finding yourself struggling with your audio and there's some background noise, some muffling, and the quality just isn't what you want, and you're not trying to throw on a channel EQ and stabilize all the frequencies and spend your time, then I have a solution for you. A free software that you can use to upload your MP3 files and come out with high quality audio. In most cases, that is. We're gonna hop on the computer. I'm gonna show you on Final Cut Pro some examples of bad audio that turn into good, and also some tweaks that you'll see that you should look out for. So nonetheless, let's hop on and get to it. I did a podcast for LPT Realty, and I had two people mic'd up, and then the rest of the other people were going to get the audio from the shotgun mic. But the problem is with the shotgun mic, you're gonna hear the AC, some background noise if anything is happening, and it's not as crisp. So as you can see here, Emily had the mic, you can hear it.
Share that with you all. It's a personal side
This is your mom.
that I love, but I just felt you guys are part of my family, part of my circle, so why not let you know? So I'd be more than honored if you...
So you hear it's clean, crisp. That's Miss Nordkees right there. And now let me go to Mauricio, and I'm gonna show you the original audio. This is from the shotgun mic, okay? Hear this.
Club, and currently serving as the president. We were lucky enough to go to the very first meeting yesterday, and that was at 10 a.m. and it was.
So you hear all the muffling, you hear the background, you hear the echoing. When you use that software and you upload your audio to it, and when you extract it, make sure that you listen to it first so that it is congruent to what they're saying and it's not sometimes making up words. Like 85% of the time it's working, but some cases it doesn't. I'll show you guys that in a bit. So let me show you. Now this is the post edited from the software.
And currently serving as the president. We were lucky enough to go to the very first meeting yesterday, and that was at 10 a.m. and it was for me it was more than I could have ever expected. It really helps you refine your skills, and one of the stories that I shared.
So you see the difference right there, right? You want to find the piece of the audio that isn't up to your quality of standards. You're going to right click on it. You're going to detach the audio. Once you do, what I like to do is open up a new project. You're going to copy and paste on that new project so that when you go here, you go up top, you'll export it. You'll go to export file. When you do export file, you'll go under settings, format. It will typically be video and audio. You'll just hit the audio only, and then audio format MP3. Save it to your computer. When you do, this is where the magic is gonna happen. You're gonna go to podcast.adobe.com. This is a free software that you can use to upload your MP3 files that are bad quality and get professional studio quality audio, guys, without having to spend time on fixing the frequencies. So this will save you time and it will give you high quality audio. You'll drop it in there, wait a few minutes, and it will spit you out high quality audio. I want you to listen to it though. Like I said, in most cases, it will do a very good job, but in some cases, I found that if it's multiple people talking over each other, it can affect the final product of the main person that's talking. Also, sometimes with accents, depending on how heavy of an accent they have, can affect also the quality of the audio. For example, let me go back onto here. So after you download that, you'll just re-upload it, retime it onto the project that you're doing. So here's an example of when the Adobe Podcast doesn't do a good job. Ready? So right here, show you.
Thank you.
We have to dress to impress as an
Yeah.
agent, so.
Notice we have to dress to impress as an agent. So Emily laughed and overlaid his audio. And so what happened was when we put that in and we try to fix it, check it out now.
Thank you.
We have to dress to impress as an A to soak.
Right.
It didn't do the correct words. And so you got to be mindful of that and make sure that you're checking the work that it is producing you, because you don't want to throw that on there and then it comes out terrible in the final production. And let me show you one more example. So this was a wedding that I just recently shot. We had the priest mic'd up and he was just giving introductions during the ceremony. And so I want you to listen to a little bit of it. It's pretty good quality since we had the mic, but you'll notice a little bit of echoing in the background because we are in a church.
God made them male and female. And for this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife.
So that was before. So we took that, extracted it, put it on Adobe Podcast, and then it spit us out. And so this is the edited version of the Adobe.
God made them male and female. And for this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh.
So you see there, the cleaner the audio is in the beginning that you can give to Adobe Podcast, the better of a job it can do to give you the higher quality audio. But if there's a lot of distortion and a lot of noise within there, there is a possibility that the audio won't come out as crisp. So just keep that in mind when you are going about your work. All right, guys, and that concludes the video. I just wanted to share that with the audience base that I currently have that can fix these little problems that can occur when you're doing these video edits or any type of videos that you are shooting and you do want that crisp audio. So hopefully you got some value out of it. We got some more videos coming here soon. Just been super busy with work. I'll keep you guys in the loop. I'm heading to my first missions trip this Thursday, so we'll be back with some more footage. And other than that, guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you for being a subscriber. Hit that thumbs up if you got some value out of it. Till the next one, peace.